Hey guys, this is Zenia from Desi Martini, and today we have with us one of the contestants of the first season of Big Boss OTT. It's none other than Divya Agarwal, the gorgeous, the beautiful, and the bold Divya Agarwal, if I may add so. Hi Divya, welcome to Desi Martini.
Thank you, Xenia. That was quite an introduction. That helps me a lot. Thank you.
The pleasure is all mine. And by the way, the way you have been dealing with trolls on social media, that's commendable.
Thank you so much, Xenia. I hope that I continue to face my trolls inside the house and, teach them some good things about life.
Yes. But how are you going to deal with it if, one of the contestant turns out to be like a troll or always spreads negativity inside the house? So, how are you going to deal with it?
I think I'm gonna first use all sorts of tolerance talent that I have. I'm gonna shower all those talents out first. Initially, I'm gonna be very tolerant and very patient about things, and I'll give them a benefit of doubt that they are learning. But once it gets over the board, then I will also go OTT, just like the show is called. It's over the top. So yes, you guys will see me going over the top at times, but yeah, I hope that they understand ek do baar mein hi.
Huh. Hopefully, that side won't be unleashed very soon. होगा तो सही क्योंकि इतने दिन आप अनजान लोगों के साथ ऑलमोस्ट रहोगे तो
Right.
someone or the other is going to rub you off the other way.
Of course,
Possible.
of course.
Hopefully, that doesn't happen ever.
I am prepared. I am
Yeah.
genuinely prepared for it.
Also, Divya, in one of your earlier interviews, you said कि आप Big Boss के लिए ही बने हो. I would really want to know what you meant by that statement.
Okay, so this is the thing that my friends, my family, even Varun's family, they've been saying it to me. So because they keep reminding me of all the things that I do in my regular life, and anything that happens, they're like, "Tu Big Boss mein to faad degi yaar." So that statement has always been in my head. ठीक है, and I think
Wow.
cooking, I am an amazing cook. हो सकता है बिग बॉस ओटीटी का एक छोटा सा सेगमेंट आ जाए मेरे साथ, क्योंकि बिकॉज आई एम गोना बी लाइक अ मास्टर शेफ इनसाइड एंड आई एम गोना कुक वेरी नाइसली, and I am very
अरे
good with talking, I'm very good with making friends, I'm very good with my entertainment skills. You guys have seen me dancing all my life, and I think that's going to be my first thing in the morning. So I am really happy, like किसी को डांस इतना पसंद है कि सुबह तुम उठते ही डांस करोगे, ये रेगुलर लाइफ में तो नहीं हो सकता, ये सिर्फ बिग बॉस पे हो सकता है. सो व्हाई नॉट.
absolutely, absolutely. And given your energy and your positivity, it looks like you're super excited and not nervous at all. That's such a great thing to see.
Maybe I'm
Yes.
feeling it
Also,
really well.
yes. Also, the fact that you have been a part of so many reality shows, it kind of is like a preparation towards Big Boss. Now that we are going to see you in Big Boss finally. But also, Divya, there have been rumors that you were approached for this show before, but you didn't give your nod there. So, what changed this time?
This time, I guess life has taught me a lot of lessons. We all have faced our worst times in COVID. We all have seen the lockdown. We have seen things closely, like I lost my father. And I guess I handled that particular incident in my life very maturely, and I guess I'm all set and ready, because this is what you need for big boss. You need a strong headed mind, and I think today is the time when I can call myself, yes, I'm strong headed and nothing's going to break me down. So जो सबसे ज्यादा दिल
Wow, wow.
करीब चीज थी वो तो चली गई, तो अब वो बहुत सारी हिम्मत देके गई है. So I'm going to use all my power that my dad has passed on, and yes, I'll be a banger in the show, I'm sure.
Wow, we are waiting to see you and how you fared inside the house, Divya. Like, I am pretty sure there are so many people rooting for you to lift the trophy. You know, And also the fact, I believe you have watched the previous seasons of Big Boss.
I do, I have. And in fact,
So
I used to host a segment on Voot called Voot Night Live, and I was Khabri Divya. And I had a lot of insights about the show that time. So I think all that experience is also going to come into the picture. And I am pretty excited about it.
right. And lastly, before we let you go inside the house, tell us one previous contestant who you will be extremely happy to see if he or she is a part of this Big Boss OTT, and one contestant जिसको देख के आप बोलोगे यार इसको क्यों लेके आया?
इसको क्यों लेके I think if you I don't know if you remember A-Cash. I don't want
Yes,
him in the house. I
yes,
had
yes.
experienced him in my other reality show in Ace, and I think I don't want to see him in the house because he's quite annoying as a person. And otherwise, and I know he does it purposely. I know he does it purposely. That irritates me the most. And the best person I would like to see in the house would be Siddharth Shukla for sure.
With that, we will come to the end of this interaction. Thank you, Divya. It was
Thank
a pleasure talking to you.
Same here.
And good luck on Big Boss. Hope you lift the trophy and we'll have our fingers crossed.
Thank you so much, Jeetia. Thank you so much.